Hello everyone, today we are working with our middle split and how to stretch your body for your splits. So stay with me and we'll get started. We'll working with our hips and knees. So let's start. First, what you're starting to do, we're working with one leg, slowly putting on the floor. Then take it up and working with the left leg. So we're changing legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After that, I will take my knees and this knee I will put on the floor too. And my left hand going and stretching. There we will little bit stretch our back for feel better. So good work. Come back. And we will do this simple. So we will take our knees on the floor, take our left more on the back, and right hand going and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. After that, we'll working more with our hips. So, and with hands. We'll get stretch, and now we'll work and take move. 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Amazing work. After that, we will push down our knees on the floor, take our breath, and now we will starting stretching for our legs. So I will take my right hand on the left leg and left hand going up, and we will get stretching for our right leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slowly I like up and change the side. So I will slowly going and trying push more for leg and feel good stretch in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that I will back, and we need blocks for using. So I will take it under my knees, sit in comfortable position. And what we will do now, we will not working with our knees because it's important for our split. So I will push and try to take my strong leg. So let's working. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 fixed, and feel that you control your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. Let's work with another leg. So fix and relax. 2, 3, 4, and 5. We will fix it and feel our leg. Feel that you control your leg and relax. So guys, take 2 legs together and take breathe and breathe out. So next exercise which I will do on open our hips and sit in our middle split. We will take our blocks underneath, sit comfortable, and now we are working with the 2 legs. So I take control in my knees and fix legs and relax. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Fix it and sit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. After that, what we will do, we will get sit in this position and starting moving our body more for leg how you can, and then trying do more for the floor, and we will do this move and back, and then we will try move from the left leg down and for our right leg. So let's working. And 1 and back, 2 and back, 3 back, 4 and come back, and the last one from the left side and come back to the right side. Amazing work. After that, you can use the pillow or without anything if you don't have, but like this more comfortable. You can move it behind and back. It's so good for your legs, for your open hips. So let's try. If you so hard, you can take a hands and try a little bit. But you must do this with strong back, not like that. Okay, let's try. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and on the 5 we will try pushing on your maximum and relax, stay in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want some harder exercise, you can still in this position, you can go on your elbows like that and try and push your legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5 you can fix your legs still in this position. And if you're not hard in this exercise, you can pushing more down and then be more stretched. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, after that, stand up, take off a breath, slowly breathe out, take 2 legs, and we'll do now exercise which help relax your legs. So look at sit in this position, and we do this movement that your legs relax and not pain. So guys, next exercise which we'll do, it's butterfly position. We'll working with open our hips and stretch. So let's start. We will get sit in this position, your legs more for your body. You can take your hands on your feet and start moving our legs, that our hips is warm up and open, and you feel your legs more better. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, we will take one leg strong, one will get stay in this position. If you're so easy like that, you can move your leg more on your body, and we'll get started. If it's hard, you push like that, and we'll working. So we will take a leg like that, takes our hands up and starting to pushing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, going down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you put leg more on your leg, it's hip open more. So we will change. So I will take my leg and we will do the same pushings. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, pushing down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for your watch. I hope that you like this exercise. I hope that you do at home and feeling good, feeling beautiful middle split. Follow me and text me like. So bye bye.